Hello everybody. In this video, we'll see how the indicator performed for the month of Feb 2021 to April 2021 for gold. So I have taken, the indicator and strategy remains the same. You buy when the buy signal high is broken and exit when you get a sell signal, and sell when the sell signal low is broken, and when you get the buy signal you just exit the position. So that's the strategy in addition with my indicator. We'll see how it performed in the last 3 months. So from the Feb 1st to Feb 4th, the total profit points is 770 and the total loss points is minus 100, and the total number of trades is 7. And there are 2 at cost trade and 4 profitable trade and 1 loss trade. So to tell what is at cost, we entered a position, either it's a buy or sell, and we exit at the same cost of buying. So that is considered as at cost. Profit is the profitable trade and loss the loss making trade. So that's a summary of that's the definition of the numbers. So in this time period we had 7 trades, and then the total profitable points in this period is 770 and loss is 100. For this period, Feb 4 to Feb 9th, total profit points is 750 and the total loss points is minus 50. Total number of trades is 6. And for this period from Feb 9th to 12th, 500 points is profitable points, loss is minus 50, and the total trade is 8. Same for this period, profitable point is 550 and loss is 0. Total number of trade we made was total number of trade we executed was 8. For this time period, which is from 16th Feb to 19th Feb, 7 executed trades, 600 profitable points and minus 150 we lost. For this period, which is from 18th Feb to 23rd Feb, total point we made is 950. We didn't make any loss, and total number of trade is 4. So for this period we made 7 trades, 170 profit points, and we lost 100 points. We made 1720 profitable points and we lost minus 150. The total number of trade is 8. So this is the first week of March. So this is from 3rd March to 8th March. Total number of trade is 4. We made 900 points profit, and we didn't lose any points in this period. For this period, which is 7th March to 10th March, we made 850 points and we lost minus 150, and total number of trade is 5. So here we made 900 points, we lost 200, and total number of trade is 5. Here we didn't make any money in this time period. We lost minus 400 points, and the total number of trade was 9. So again in this time period, which is 19th April to 23rd March, 350 points we made and we lost minus 100 points. Total number of trade is 9. And for this period, which is 24th or 23rd March to 26th March, 7 trades, 600 points we made. We didn't lose any points. And this, which is the last week of March, okay, we didn't make profit or loss. We just had a 5 at cost trade. So total number of trade is 5. From first week in the first week of April, we made 800 points. We didn't lose anything, and total number of trade is 10. For 7th April to 9th April, we executed 7 trades. We made 1250 points as a profit, and then we didn't lose any points in this period. From 9th April to 14th April, we made 500. We didn't lose anything. We executed 6 trades. From 14th April to 20th April, 7 trades, 1230 points. We didn't lose anything. From 19th April to 23rd April, 2000 points we made and we lost minus 100 points. Total number of trade is 4. So this is in this period 650 and trade was 10. We didn't lose anything. In this particular period, which is last week of April, we made 800 points and we lost 300 points, and the total executed trade was 9. So till now we saw the what is the summary and for the certain time period. The total time summary or for the backtest is the last 3 months. I mean Feb, March, April. In the 3 months, totally gold made 2,380 points from Feb to April end. If you use this indicator along with the strategy which I mentioned, you will make profit of 1,640 and will lose we lost 1,850 points. I think it is ulta. The total gain we made is 1,000 and then the total loss we made in a single trade is 200. So there is a small mismatch in that, and the total number of trade is 152. So even if you did this number from here, we made 15,000 points. With this, if you compare, we have our ratio is 1:5, close to 1:5. So if for example, if you buy and hold the gold simply, you get 2,380 points. If you use the indicator along with the strategy, we have gained 15,000 points. So there is a difference of 12,500 points is the additional point which we will be getting if you use the indicator and strategy, and this is for just 3 months for gold. Okay, and then other thing is I will add the back test result in the description. It will be added in Google Drive. You can go and check yourself. There is no hidden, I mean nothing is hidden here, everything is transparent. You can go and check the backtest yourself and you can find the same result. If you are interested in this strategy, just mail me at simplifiedstrategist7@gmail.com. We'll discuss how we can move further. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.